Another important principle when you do strength training to understand is the principle of what we call antagonistic pairs. As you start becoming more familiar with your body and the different muscles in your body, what you're going to find is that certain muscles extend a joint while other muscles flex it or contract that joint. Okay? As you do different movements, every time you do a movement, a muscle is responsible for that. Okay, the way that your body works is basically you have bones that are connected to other bones, okay, with ligaments, and then your muscles are connected to those bones and sometimes in those ligament areas as well. But what will happen is as these muscles contract, okay, you'll get a signal from your brain that causes the neurons, the neuron fibers that attach to your muscles to stimulate that muscle to where they'll contract. As that muscle contracts, okay, it pulls what it's attached to. So in the case of your bicep, okay, your bicep is going to contract. As it contracts, it's going to pull this upper part of your arm here and flex that joint, okay? On the other side of your arm is what we call a tricep. This tricep here, what it does is it's responsible for extending your arm. When it contracts, it extends. You notice that as this one contracts, down here, this one elongates and relaxes. As this muscle contracts, this muscle back here elongates and relaxes. So we call those antagonistic pairs. What that means basically is both of these muscles are very important for this motion right here. So when you're training, okay, think about making sure that you give adequate attention to all your muscle groups. You want to train your body evenly. You want to train with balance. Okay, if I just go to the bench or to the gym and I just bench press every day, right? I'm working these muscles that contract, okay, and bring my arms forward, but these back muscles that work and pull these arms back are being neglected if I don't work those muscles as well. So basically think in terms of this. For every motion, there's an opposite motion as well that should be trained. So if I'm pressing here, I should also be doing some type of pulling here, okay? Same thing when I'm working my legs, right? I might be doing something that extends my legs and then also something that curls my legs. So those are some things that you can kind of pay attention to. There's going to be some other videos that you can tune into and kind of see how that's done in the weight room. But those are that's another principle that's just really important. Antagonistic pairs and understanding how to train both sides of it so that you have a good balanced approach to your strength training and you don't do it in a lopsided manner.